friends, this is Hi5 China. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make carrots and peanuts fry. But before we go into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe, as I've already made many cooking related videos on our channel and I'll continue making more. Now let's go into the video. So firstly, into a vessel, add 200 grams of water and 700 grams of carrots. I chop them into small pieces like this. Now let the carrots cook until all the water is gone. As you can see, all the water is gone and the carrots are soft. So take this vessel off the flame and into another pan add half a cup of peanuts. I use this rice cup for the measurements. And roast it on a low flame. After the peanuts are slightly roasted, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, and 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds. Dry roast these. After the coriander seeds emit a nice aroma, add half a cup of sesame seeds and roast them until they start crackling. Now that the sesame seeds are crackling, into this let's add half a cup of coconut powder, now turn off the flame and let this cool down. After it cools down, take it into a mixer jar and blend it into a fine powder. After blending it, add about 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. You can adjust the salt and red chilli powder to your taste and blend this into a fine powder. Now into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, after the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. After the turmeric is slightly roasted, add the cooked carrots. After mixing them, add the ground powder. I added a little more than half of the amount that we made. You can adjust it to your taste. You can add 1/4 teaspoon of salt if it's not enough. So check how much salt you need and add that much. And now add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. And tasty carrot and peanut fry is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.